is going to be exciting. But I think today's exciting. $15,000, you're sitting with the people you love in a place you want to be. How easy is this? 5 more seconds. At time to Bill said, duck, duck, goose. Around the back. Duck, duck, goose. I like that. Okay. And Formal Fennel 93 said the shed, which is always around the back. Where'd you put the body? Okay, clue number 2. Subtraction, then addition. The clock starts now. Okay, the first clue was around the back. The second clue is subtraction, then addition. Over 7,000 people already have guessed on the first clue. People are getting really sharp now. Choppy Hamburger 85 said a tax refund. That makes sense. Around the back, you get it after, right? After you've submitted. And subtraction and then addition, you paid the tax and then they give it back. I see the way you're thinking. And Silly Spider 727 said math. Well, that's what subtraction then addition is. That's on the nose, but you never know. You could be right. Clue number 3, digital conversion. The clock starts now. Okay, the first clue was around the back. The second clue was subtraction, then addition. And your third clue is digital conversion. With 5 seconds left on the clock. You getting any hints? Purity Diana said Tamagotchi. Explain to me what Purity Diana is saying. What's somebody, you said it's Tamagotchi. What is it? Tell me what it is.
It's a digital pet.
Oh, it's a digital, she's going like this, like I'm supposed to know what that is. But you know what that is, they know what that is, and that could be the answer. Okay, 4,500 people guessed on that one. All right, clue number 4. A dip, a clip, some tips, and a tip. The clock starts now. Okay, the first clue was around the back. The second clue was subtraction, then addition. The third clue was digital conversion. And your fourth clue was a dip, a clip, some tips, and a tip. And your time is up there. Still don't know what Tamagotchi is. All right, here is Grassy Grave 1200, Grassy Gravel 200 said rhymes, and Fuchsia Gurgle 855 said brie. Bris. Oh, a bris. Oh! For those that don't know, a bris is the Yiddish or Hebrew word for circumcision. Oh, why around the back? Anyway, turn the boy over. Anyway. Clue number 5, your final clue is handsome hands, cute cuticles, nailed it, and the clock starts right now. Okay, your first clue was around the back. Your second clue was subtraction, then addition. The third clue was digital conversion. The fourth clue was a dip, a clip, some tips, and a tip. And your final clue was handsome hands, cute cuticles, and nailed it. And that is your time. Wow. A lot of people didn't submit. We have many more players than people submitted, but maybe you're waiting for round 2 for the big money. I guess that's what it is. Let's find out what's in the crystal ball. Open that crystal ball right now. Oh, it's a manicure. Okay, all right, manicure. Okay, let's see how many people got it correct and how the clues fit the answer. All right, clue number 5 was handsome hands, cute cuticles. Nailed it. A manicure makes your hands, handsome. Cuticles are this thing, and fingernails look great. Nailed it. So that makes sense. Almost 14,000 people guessed on that final clue. 8,482 of you got it correct. Did anybody get it correct before you? Well, let's find out. Clue number 4 was a dip, a clip, some tips, and a tip. Well, you dip your hands in whatever you dip your hands in. Then they clip your nails. Some people get nail tips, and then you tip Manicurist. Aha! 8,524 people guessed. 343 of you got it correct. Clue number 3 was digital conversion. I think that makes sense. A manicure transforms your fingers, your digits, from the way they looked to the way they are. A digital conversion. So 10,416 people guessed. 4 people got it correct. Whoa! Did anybody get it before that? Subtraction, then addition was the second clue. First they trim your nails, they cut, they file everything away, and then they add. They add polish, gel, acrylics, whatever you want. So subtraction, then addition. 7,426 of you guessed. 1 got it correct. Wow. Clue number 1. Clue number 1, around the back. A manicurist works their way around the back of your hand from one finger to another. You know, when I say I know what the answer is, like I know the back of my hand, that's exactly what it is. Okay, 7,034 people took a guess at that first clue. Nobody got it correct, which means one person is getting the $5,000 from subtraction, then addition, and that's Yerf. Yerf. Congratulations, Yerf. I just like saying their name. Okay, round 2, the prize doubles to $10,000. I know, you know how it works, 5 clues, 20 seconds, only one best guess. Let's load that crystal ball. Here it goes again. That was exciting. I like that one. I enjoyed that one. I still don't know what Tamaguchi is. Anyway, here's your first clue. Low maintenance. The clock starts now. 20 seconds on that clock. Low maintenance is the clue. Got a big group of people playing today. Again, I'll mention tomorrow you come back because everybody can walk away with something. Everybody, whether you're right or wrong. You don't get that each and every day. All right, time is up. Here is clue number 2. Clue number 2 is separation anxiety. The clock starts now. So the first clue was low maintenance. The second clue is separation anxiety. 10 more seconds left on the clock. Over 7,000 people took a guess on the first clue. I love those people that take that guess, those smart people that take a guess on that first clue, but also over 7,000 people took a guess on this clue. Your third clue is the Lord of the Rings is unyielding. Start the clock now. Okay. The first clue was low maintenance. The second clue was separation anxiety. And the third clue is the Lord of the Rings is unyielding. Besselmore 28 said Sonic the Hedgehog. Oh, I don't know if you know anything about Sonic, but he is very low maintenance. Lizzie Unicorn said a magnet. That's actually a good guess. Here's clue number 4. I'm useless without my glasses. The clock starts now. Okay, so the first clue was low maintenance. The second clue was separation anxiety. The third clue was the Lord of the Rings is unyielding. And your fourth clue is I'm useless without my glasses. And your time is up. Beware the mayor says an aquarium. Well, an aquarium without the glass sends the fish into every room. And if you separate the fish from the aquarium, you talk about anxiety. Here's your last clue. So you don't have much time left. Small protective mat where your drink should be sat. And the clock starts now. You got it. All right, low maintenance was number 1. Number 2 was separation anxiety. Number 3 was the Lord of the Rings is unyielding. Number 4 is I'm useless without my glasses. And your final clue for $10,000 is small protective mat where the drink should be sat. And all your time is up. Oh, on that final guess, almost 15,000 people took a guess. All right, let's find out what is in the crystal ball. Go ahead. Yep, it's what I thought. It's a coaster. It's the coaster. It's the coaster. Let's take a look at how the clues fit and find out who is taking the money, all right? All right, clue 5 was small protective mat where your drink should be sat. It protects your furniture and you really should be setting your drinks on it. Okay, 17,000 of you guessed. 17,000 out of 17,000, over 15,000 of you got it correct. Wow. I'm useless. The next clue, I'm useless. Fourth, I'm useless without my glasses. A coaster's whole purpose is to put your glasses on it. Why do you need this? You don't need this without glasses. All right, I think I've explained myself. Almost 6,000 people guessed. 256 of you got it correct. Okay, this is I like, okay? Clue number 3, the Lord of the Rings is unyielding. Okay, it's the master of preventing condensation rings. It is Lord of the Rings. It protects you. And it's not floppy like a napkin. It doesn't yield. It's just, right? Okay, I know I'm right. I know I'm right. And here, 7,710 of you guessed. And you know what? I am right because 2 of you got it correct. 2 of you figured it out. Wow, this is the $10,000 game. Here we go. Separation anxiety. A coaster separates your drink from the table. People are always, put it on the coaster, and it separates your drink from the table, and people get anxious about their furniture being damaged. Have you ever picked one up and then, it's stuck, and then you go, there's a lot of anxiety involved in this, okay? 13,874 of you took a guess on that one, and you know what? Nobody got it right. Number 1, first clue, low maintenance. A coaster is down low beneath a drink and it maintains the condition of your furniture. It also creates low maintenance for whatever it's on, right? You don't have to clean anything, it's all right here. That's low maintenance. 7,100 of you guessed. Nobody got it right, which means the 2 people who guessed on clue number 3 get $5,000 each. Wow, polite salsa, you got $5,000, and the other name is dirty. I can't put it up. You know what you can do then. All right, you're a winner with a horrible loser name. Okay, that's it for this episode of Best Guess Live. Congratulations again to all the winners. We're here every weekday at 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific. And remember, in less than 24 hours, listen to this, every one of you is going to win. Call your friends, call your neighbors, come back tomorrow, and don't forget to bring your best guess. Good night, everybody. Can I have this? Am I allowed to take this home? Can I take this home? No, my wife, I make such a mess around the house. There's so much anxiety. I want to take, no.